Some turtles and sharks. What city is that? That we can see from here? So far from Boca.
Well, that might be Boca.
Okay.
Boca or Cuba.
That look like the bridge is up.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Ocean Boulevard.
Water.
No.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, look this way, baby. This is what they do on the weekends.
That's
Yeah. That's the intercoastal.
Oh man,
I used to take my boat on the intercoastal all the time.
It's so pretty in here. Look at the trees and everything.
Okay, well, out there.
My husband used to live here.
At the light, turn left onto South Ocean Boulevard.
Boca Inlet. This is the Boca Inlet right here.
Okay.
I used to take my boat out this inlet, baby.
In 2.1 miles, turn left.
See the ocean?
Yeah. I wish we were in semi-truck.
Maybe this way.
Then-
There's a bunch of yachts. And they're going out to go fishing on that one right there. It's got 4 engines on the back of it. Holy shit.
My husband just asked me if I like Boca. Yes, it's pretty down here. Look at that.
That's
It's
one house.
just one house.
Be careful of that.
Tons of
That's
family
somebody's
that
house right
live
there.
in
Yeah. Look at those houses over there with the yachts. That's one house. That's one house.
It's nice to live down here, but guys, it's so expensive.
Yes, it is. My cheapest place down here was $1,200 for another.
Per month.
Yeah, per month. The other place was $1,500 a month. Well, $1,480.
Yeah.
Little fish.
Then the destination is on your right.
And we just pull in, guys, at the Gumbo, Limbo.
Feeding at 12:30.
Thank you, bud. Look at that aquarium.
You know what? That's what we're gonna do when we get a house. We're gonna set up a nice tank. Or actually set up my tank that I already have.
Those look like a mushrooms. But what they call it? What are those?
Some kind of sea anemone. That one's real.
That's pretty cool. I've never seen like that before. That's gorgeous. What's that?
That's real.
Wow.
Sea anemone.
What'd you say? Sea anemone? That's so gorgeous.
Coral.
Say it again.
Fire coral. That's what it's called. Fire coral. That one and that one. And the reason I call it fire is because when you step on it, it feels like something's burning your foot.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Here's the names of the other ones too. Now the green one there is called the Florida coral Limbo. That flower one that I showed you, baby,
Okay.
is called the beaded rock flower.
Wow. There's one right there. These are birds. Sea turtles. Yeah. Those are baby turtles. But why is like that? You put them in the basket.
Teach you to work with them and study them.
Oh, the study.
This is the start of Florida Atlantic University's marine biology research lab. I've held those in my hand.
Oh yeah.
Out in the wild with a real one.
That's so cute.
And that's real too. That's a seahorse.
Really?
Yeah, that's real.
What's that?
That's a sea anemone.
Wow.
I want to put some of those in our fish tanks.
There's seashells in there.
Alright, now you see the baby.
My tour guide, guys.
Remember what's in here?
Tour guide.
That's one. Let's go this way.
Okay. Ang bilis naman lumaki. What?
Look at this.
What's that? Goodness, that's really...
Those are tarpon. Barracuda. And that one's a tarpon.
What size
Dennis,
are those?
look at the
Oh, they get
teeth
bigger
of
than that.
barracuda.
They get about 6 feet long. The barracudas and the tarpons get even bigger than that. I've caught one of those, lost my favorite fishing pole on it.
Oh my God. Now that's a barracuda there with
That
the
was a
teeth.
barracuda, yes.
What are the other long silver ones?
These ones are tarpon.
That's a tarpon.
Yeah, they're good catching fish.
Wow. And you caught a barracuda or a tarpon?
The tarpon, yeah. I lost my favorite rod on the tarpon.
You did.
I've swam with a barracuda.
You did?
I came face to face with a big
Really?
6-footer, scared the crap out of me.
Oh, how frightening.
Yeah. Parrot fish.
All right. Look at the teeth on the barracuda.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Caught a lot of those, moonfish.
Is that the one with the cut off face?
Yeah, they look like they're, flat.
That's called a moonfish?
That's what we call them. I don't know if that's what it
And what's
actually
this
is.
one coming at us? Do you know what that one is?
Oh,
I bet if they let him go in the
maybe a cobia?
Jeez.
Not sure though.
Oh my God, that's a...
Hey, buddy.
Yeah.
They sting like a rain.
Watch out. These are either pompanos. I think it's a pompano or a. Can't remember the name of them.
Daddy used to build.
Large?
Oh my gosh, that's so big.
Remember the one you fed?
That's a moray, and he is huge. I've never seen one that big.
A gumbo tree. We found this.
He's got big teeth too, very big.
We haven't found this. We haven't found a red rat snake.
Yeah, the moray.
Oh, that's part of him up top. too?
Yeah,
What?
that's the backside of him.
He's,
in that.
he's what, about 6 foot, ain't he?
He's enormous. That's the biggest moray eel I've ever seen
Yeah.
in person. They might be bigger than that in wild, but
We were thinking, he was thinking it was.
there's some snook in there too.
What size of a turtle?
Yeah.
What size?
What size? Probably 59 pounds. They'll live to be hundreds.
No, not
So,
quite.
right?
Probably 75, maybe.
75?
less. Yes, no. This is where they put the hose for the anesthesia.
What happened to that?
He swallowed the hook.
Oh.
And this is the
Probably
hook.
ate a fish that had a hook in it.
Probably, yeah.
Hi.
No more hooks, buddy.
So really, it's just the stitches healing. I don't even see them anymore. So it looks pretty real rough. Around March or so. So this is loggerhead, and she'll be the same size as that one too.
How big to get? Like,
380 pounds
wow.
they got.
Get 380? So he's not even full grown.
Looks like
Has that one got shark bites too? Is that why he's out there with nothing?
this one's at the back. Zip it off. Yeah, shucks. They go for 'em, man. I'm sure they do.
So this place changed a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
Do you like it better before?
Oh yeah. It was better before.
So people actually can go there in front and
Yeah.
see the.
Yeah, and look down and see the fish. Yep. I don't know. Pickle barrel. Wonderful thing. I would recommend it. If you get down to Deerfield, Boca Raton area, go to the pickle barrel. And they give you pickles, obviously, and they're the best pickles ever, and good sandwiches too. Thick. Lots of meat.
That's their pickle. He said that this is the best sandwich in the South.
In South Florida, it's the best
South
sandwich.
Florida. Better than Subway.
Better than any Subway, ever.
Napkins. You got a little visitor right there. That's the hot combo.
Mm-hmm.
Corned beef.
And pastrami.
Pastrami. What is pastrami?
It's a beef that's been flavored a certain way.
Oh, okay. Check us out.
Before somebody else comes along and checks us out.
Oh.
It's like he said, we're not supposed to be with this.
You know why you brought
All
phone
that with
here?
pickle juice.
I think you smell our
I
food.
think that they've been feeding him. I think that's why he's waiting for us to drop something. They pump the water.
Nandito naman siya, guys. Oh.
That water, baby.
They're like, feed me.
The water that's in those tanks is taken right out of the water,
Who's going to get your food?
baby. The water that's in that tank that you said was so
Like, give me some, eh? Mostly squirrels, they actually run away when they see people, but this one is a people person.
People squirrel.
People squirrel.